before I pay the fee for my course also, I personally spoke to Harika ma'am. She
Oh,
was
is it?
saying that if needed, I'll call you and let you know how to do the calculation. Even in the class, she did not forget me. She was like, "Divya, did you understand the calculation?" Because you were so so much concerned about the calculations. Then after talking to ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Today we have got our OPRA exam result, and we have got till now we have counting the numbers, and we have got a good result. And we have got our very own Divya, who is from Karimnagar, uh, a district from Telangana, southern part of India. She has got a good amount of working experience, and also she's a double master's degree holder in the field of pharmacy. So let's ask her how was the journey, what did she do to pass the OPRA exam in first attempt. Hi Divya, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you so much. So please tell me, dear, can we have a little introduction of about yourself and why did you choose Elite Expertise for preparing for the OPRA exam?
Uh, it's been 6 years I came to Australia, and it's been almost 11 years I have finished my pharmacy back in 2014. Uh, I was having this intention always to clear the OPRA exam so that I can be into my own stream rather than getting into any other job. So, but getting a proper guidance also was so difficult, and it was hard to choose who exactly can help us at this point, because it was completely 11 years of gap is not the easy thing to come back and study again.
Yeah, yeah.
So I just started finding out if someone cleared the exam, and but I did not get much help from the Facebook groups or anything. Later, one of my friends suggested that she went through Elite Expertise and she cleared
Oh,
at first attempt as well. Then I contacted Elite Expertise, and from there I got Arief sir and ma'am and you all team to help us with everything. Yeah, that's how I got to introduce with Elite team. Then the journey, you people know how it goes. It's a 3 months time that sir and ma'am guide us, and it's like they did not give any extra information. They were to the point and so precise, and they were more dedicated than the students. They prepared every day to how to uh, make them the things very easier. So yeah, ultimately they were the very good teachers, I can say.
yeah. And how did you get to know about OPRA exam, Divya? This is kind of exam.
Opera exam, I just heard first about CAPS exam back
Uh-huh.
in India itself. When I thought of writing clearing licensing exam in Australia, one of my friend told me about the CAPS exam. So
Mm-hmm.
if you're coming on masters to Australia, at least you need to spend 20 to 25 lakhs. Rather than if you could clear the CAPS exam and come over Australia, it would be less expensive. That was the suggestion from my friends. Uh, though I came here by on my masters, I came to know about CAPS well in advance, but it took me 5 to 6 years to think of giving the exam. Back in 21 itself, I have got my documents assessed, but I did not give the attempt so far.
Okay.
So finally, it took me long time to take that strength and spend the amount I spent on everything. So
Yeah.
I'm here. I'm knowing about CAPS exam back in India itself,
Oh,
but I did not give an attempt
yeah, yeah. So
because I did not understand where to start, how to start. Yeah.
I know, I know. Why did you choose Australia as your career path, Divya? Because you have got a number of options. You have got Canada, you have got USA, but why Australia?
Yeah, when I tried to know about the which country is best for the biosciences, Canada and Australia was the options in front of me by most of the friends and family members. And in my family also, I have most of IT people who done engineering and all, but no one were in my own stream to guide me properly. So first thing, I thought of going to Canada, but then I chose Australia because I had a family support here. Yeah.
I know. And how, like, if you can tell me how a below average student or an average student can prepare for the OPRA exam? Are there any like steps, like, do this, do that, it's done, something like that?
Uh, like that. But yeah, it's definitely difficult if someone is trying to recollect the subject after so many years like me. But I don't say it is pretty cool or easy thing for you to just do it. But because the subjects in the pharmacy itself, it has different syllabus in different states. For example, I studied my pharmacy in Karnataka, which was having little bit differences in the syllabus between Andhra and Karnataka as well. So I had this when we try to study about the licensing, security of the pharmacy stores or something. We had a subject called jurisprudence back in my B Pharmacy third year, but
Yeah,
which was very different in other states like Andhra and Kerala. So, and after 11 years, definitely there are many things changed in back in India, and I am completely unaware of the Australian thing. So it was like when it was CAPS also, it is the subject was different because only pharmacology and chemistry was focused in CAPS. Now we included clinical patient care a lot more. So
yeah,
it was ma'am and sir's efforts, I can say. Over the night, CAPS was changed to OPRA, but they still could manage to bring out the same output from their students. Yeah.
So that was the, I can say, mm if there is any recipe for OPRA, then we can add elite expertise in their thing.
Of course, definitely.
Yeah, this is very nice to hear. Getting today is like we have got many messages stating that we have passed, and also we are very happy from the team elite expertise as well, Divya. And
I want to thank ma'am and sir from the bottom of my heart. I never mentioned in the group thank you and all, but I definitely mean it from inside. Yeah. I just
can
said
see
because I was not expecting to clear the exam because clearing over a broad pharmacy licensing exam was a dream like thing, but
I know.
today it came true. Yeah.
I know, like we had a conversation earlier, like one of your bucket list have just got completed. I'm so very happy
So
for
yeah.
that. Yeah,
Yeah.
and few tips if you want to share to the future aspirants who are preparing for the OPRA exam day, what would be the like?
I would simply say, even when I told you before that I have assessed my documents 6 years back, I bought AMH book from Facebook from somewhere, and I brought big books back in what all books we studied in B Pharmacy. All those books I purchased and kept in the shelf, but I never opened and studied because looking at the size of the book itself, I was thinking, oh God, if I can concentrate. Back in B Pharmacy was okay, somehow I need to
Something,
clear the
yeah,
degree.
someone, yeah, that is there.
Yeah, so I just bought the books, everything, got it assessed. The portal shows that you are eligible to give the caps, but my books were lying on the shelf. Don't know where to start
They were
from.
calling you, but you did not listen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And finally, when I got to know about elite expertise, then I thought, okay, many people are passing the exam with their guidance. Why can't I? Then I gave it a try. So it is just a recipe, means it's just you need to follow the guidance of your teachers. And as they say, you need to hear to the recordings multiple times. if you can't make it during the class time, at least later you have to sit and listen to the classes.
I get this. And I want to ask you one question, Divya. Like therapeutics, patient care, calculations, there are many other subjects, right? The
Yeah,
weightage is very
yeah,
different.
yeah,
But everything is Greek and ladder because we come from
yeah,
Indian. So how
yeah.
did you manage? Because pharmacology, toxicology is there, calculations again. Because we select by PC because we think that we are not good enough with the math. That's why we run away from that.
That's how I ended up in BPC as well.
Yeah, but again
Yeah,
you will have to do calculations, right?
yeah. Teacher nahi
So
chhodega. Kind
yeah,
of.
that will never leave it's like wherever you go, I'll follow you. It's like that. So how did you
Yeah, from
manage
now
with
only
this?
I'm thinking about internship. Up to, I mean, now somehow it is done. I don't know. Again, it is a face to face in oral
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everything.
But
Yeah,
don't
but
worry because OSCE and like we have seen the result of our students as well, right, dear? They say it's
yeah.
how do you present, how do you know yourself, all those things are taken into
Mm.
consideration. Don't worry,
Yeah,
you're in safest hands. It's just you have to
yeah,
get an
yeah.
internship.
Before I pay the fee for my course, also I personally spoke to Harika ma'am. She
Oh,
was
is it?
saying that if needed, I'll call you and let you know how to do the calculation. Even in the class, she did not forget me. She was like, Divya, did you understand the calculation? Because you were so so much concerned about the calculations.
No.
Then after talking to ma'am, then I got into the elite
Yeah,
expertise, and that's when I started my coaching. And yeah.
yeah, yeah. So therapeutics and patient care were not, there in the Indian pharmacy, right, dear?
Therapeutics were there, but patient care, the way we are
Mhm.
counseling here, I
Mhm.
just took at least for in the month of, sorry, in the year 2025, for 3 to 4 months, I did not have a job. So
Oh,
but then I thought, okay, if I'm trying to prepare for the OPRA, let me work as a pharmacy assistant so I can get through I
yeah,
can
yeah. You'll get to know the process and all,
get to
the
know the
terminologies. Yeah,
products, what and all they sell in the chemist
yeah,
warehouse or
yeah,
any pharmacy shop.
yeah, yeah.
But I couldn't successfully get the pharmacy assistant job. But for that, I have done S2 and S3 certification. So there
Oh,
also, they told we need to interact with patients. In very pharmacy assistant role itself, you are interacting with patients. If you give one wrong suggestion to them, we are done for the lifetime. So I was like
yeah.
very scared to write this OPRA exam. What is this patient counseling?
Oh,
Sitting back in industry or back in
I
the
know.
compounding section and preparing is different from facing the person. So
Yeah, yeah.
somehow when the scenarios were given in the by our teachers during the
Mm.
preparation, uh, so patient is having hypertension, cardio problem, everything, what and all they need to have, they are having. Then what medication we give? Back in India, it was like, oh, they ask, prescription is brought to us, and we are asked
Ah,
to
they
give
just give the
the,
prescription.
we can
Yeah,
just give it. So
yeah, yeah.
yeah, I was like, okay. So this subject was not there back in college. Like patient care
I
was
know,
not
I
there in the college. So
know.
that credit goes to sir and ma'am that they taught us how to
Yeah.
deal with it. Yeah, maybe we all will get more expertise when we get to the
Intern.
stage of internships. So yeah,
So very nice, Divya. I feel like, I can see a very nice working pharmacist in future because you're very responsible, you're very patient enough,
thank you.
and you care for
Thank-
people's health. That I can see because
yeah,
you will be, prescribing, right? Because you were seeing that in the pharmacy technician or the assistant role, if I am not capable enough, the entire life of the patient is in my hand. So in that case, you
yeah,
were responsible, and you just took a back step. But now
yeah,
you have got enough of knowledge, which is not enough.
yeah,
You need more.
yeah, yeah.
So
Definitely, we need more. Yeah.
yeah,
Even after registering with Elite Expertise, I was just going through your videos and material.
yeah.
I mean, not continuously, but I was postponing. In this 1 year also, we have 3 attempts per a year. But one
Yeah.
year I kept postponing. Ma'am was like, Divya, are you... When I joined the classes again for the July intake, I mean July exam, ma'am was like, I thought you already finished and cleared it. Then I was like, no, ma'am, did not book the exam itself. My fear is more than my confidence. Then
No, no.
she guided me and she
Yeah,
told,
yeah.
no, please don't panic before even you give some efforts.
Yeah.
Then I was like, okay.
Don't worry, everything will be okay. Even your internship will be very okay. I can see that. Don't worry at all. Thank you
Yeah,
so much, Divya, for this very crisp, fast interview. Thank you so much. I hope you
thank
have
you.
liked this
Thank you.
interview. And what you wanna give? Any suggestions or anything which you wanna share to sir and ma'am? You can do with this video.
I just can say thank you. That's all. Um, no suggestions. They are doing their best for their students. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, dear. May God bless you with all the happiness, luck, and your internship to get cracked because the next thing is that you have to search, search, search. So
Yeah.
you're living
Yeah.
in your regional area or somewhere else, Divya?
Actually, I lived in Sydney and I was
Oh,
working
okay.
for pharmaceutical industry. I was working. Then during the last few months, there were no calls from the industry. Then I worked in a disability support care.
Okay.
Now for exam, I took off and then I got my grant from Perth. So then I
Oh,
resigned my job and I'm staying in my sister's place from
oh.
last 15-20 days. Yeah, I need to
Okay.
travel to Perth this month.
You'll
Yeah.
be traveling. I can see Perth's a very good place, right? You can
Yeah.
enjoy your life
Yeah.
as well, enjoy the place.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And even
Okay.
I heard that Perth has very many
Yeah.
biosciences
Yes,
jobs and
yes, it's a very
yeah.
good place, it seems. People say, and many of our interns are also from that place.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, so you can get good opportunities. I can see that. Okay, dear,
Yeah.
bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you.